Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing packages and importing what you need. Install Tensorboard and Pytorch now. Matching versions prevent header errors. Once done, import Summary Writer from Torch. Utils: Tensorboard and create a log directory such as run/exp1. Make sure to remove old logs if you want a clean timeline. This first step establishes the writer process and file locations. Without it, events won't appear. Next, instantiate Summary Writer. Log_dir equals runs/exp1. You now connect training to Tensorboard by logging meaningful artifacts. During each step or epoch, call writer. Add scaler for loss and metrics so you can inspect trends. This records values with a step index. To visualize the network, use writer. Add graph with a sample input tensor. That lets you see layer structure. If you want weights and activations, call writer. Add histogram and writer. Add image. Make sure to flush periodically with writer. Flush to avoid buffering. This keeps the UI responsive and up to date. You finish by launching Tensorboard and checking output. Run Tensorboard with your log directory. For example, Tensorboard logdir equals runs port equals 6006, then open localhost 6006 in a browser. If the dashboard is blank, make sure you called writer. Flush or writer. Close, and that log_dir matches what you used in code. Also check file permissions. If specific plugins show no data, restart Tensorboard or use flags like samples per plugin to increase displayed items. Close the writer at the end to ensure all events are written.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.